Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today we will see EVS Environmental Studies ICSE Grade 1 Lesson number 6 Games we play. Games we play. So what all games we play, children? Indoor games, outdoor games. There are many games, right? Ludo is there, chess is there. You can see a Ludo, chess, hockey, badminton, cricket. Some can be played inside, right, inside the house. Some can be played outside the house. Some should be played outside the house. Like if we are playing outside, it's called outdoor. If we are playing inside, it's called indoor, right? If you are playing inside, it's called indoor, right? If you are playing outside, it's called outdoor. Now see here. What is this? Which game is it? Chess, right? Chess. 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 What is this? Badminton, right? Badminton. So it can be played in indoor? No, right? It should be played outdoor. So badminton, you can see here. The girls are playing badminton here. So they are playing outside the house, outdoor game. This can be played inside also and outside also. So indoor game, chess. Badminton. Here, what is this? What is this, children? This is hockey. This is hockey. 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 What is this? Cricket. See, what is this? This is a cricket, right? Cricket. Read with the help of phonics. In English, always try to read with the help of phonics. It will be very helpful for you. Cricket. Cricket. Ludo. Ludo. You can see here. See. Now we will see the games we play. We just do a lesson reading. Playing games is an important part of our lives because we need to play. Every day it's an activity for us. We need to play. It's our day-to-day part of our lives. Okay. So playing games is an important part of our lives. They are a good source of recreation and entertainment. They make us feel happy and keep us active. Games also help in developing a sense of discipline and confidence from a very young age. That is, if we play games, so it helps us in developing our sense of discipline, confidence from a very young age. So see here, every evening, Ria plays badminton with her friends. It keeps her active, right? It keeps her active. Will it keep her passive? No, it will keep her active. See, like other game, chess game is there. So Krish is a boy who likes to play chess with his mother. So Krish likes playing chess with his mother. His mother says it will make his brain sharp. It will make his brain sharp. See children, few games are there which will help you in your activity, in your reading activity, in your learning activity like chess. It will help you in your learning activity. Okay, like other games like hockey, Ludo, badminton, cricket. These all are your confidence building skill. These are your discipline building skill. So this also will help you and keep you active to read, to understand. So games are a very important part of our lives. So there are segregated into two types. Now one is the indoor games and the other is an outdoor games. Now we will see what is indoor and what is outdoor. See now, indoor. Okay, indoor games means what are indoor games? Games that are played inside a room, house, hall or auditorium are called indoor games. Like Ludo can be played by sitting itself, right? Ludo, carom, chess, badminton, table tennis, right? See carom, they are playing carom. So Rehan likes to play carom with their friends, right? So it's an indoor game. Chess, table tennis, all can be played in hall or in house or auditorium, right? Outdoor games. What are outdoor games? Outdoor games are the ones that are played in open grounds or open stadium. They need more space as compared to the indoor games. So see here, outdoor games. Outdoor games means the games that are played in Open grounds, right? Open grounds or open stadium are called outdoor games. Some common outdoor games are, what is this? Cricket, football, hockey, kite flying and frisbee, right? And frisbee. So these are the games which can be played in open grounds or open stadium only. Like see, he's the boy whose name is Neeraj. He is playing cricket with his friends after the school. Then some games like the badminton and volleyball listed as indoor games can be played outdoors as well. See, when we are sick or when it is raining or when the weather is too hot or cold, we cannot go out, right? When the weather is too hot. So, can we go out? No. Can we go out to play? No. When it's too cold, can we go out to play? No. When the weather is sick or when we are sick. So, not the weather. When we are sick, can we go to play? No. When the weather is not good or it's raining. So, can we go to play? No. So, at such times, we can play indoor games like nowadays, games played on TV, computer, mobiles and tablets are also quite popular. So see here, the girl whose name is Sheena, she likes to play games on her computer. So you can play at home itself. You can play the games at home itself. But it is not good. It will affect your eyesight. It will affect your vision. It will affect. You will also be overweight. You will also be passive. You will also be lazy. It will not advise. It's not advisable. Only if you are sick, if it's raining, if the weather is too hot or cold or some situations, at that time, as an exceptional case, you can play this. Like games played on TV, computer, mobile, you can play with that, with tablets and all. But playing games for long hours on the computer and tablet, however, can affect our posture and eyesight. See, it can also make us overweight and lazy. Hence, it is advisable to play outdoors regularly. Again, next we will see is rules and fair play. Rules and fair play. Okay. See, what are rules? Every game will have its own rules, right? Will have its own rules and regulations. So, we should respect the rules and be fair while playing games. We should not cheat. We should be fair while playing games. We should take turns and share things. We should take turns and share things, right? Now see, games then means when our parents, grandparents were little kids, television was not that common and there was no internet too, there was not there. So what games were they playing? So were they playing? They were playing a lot. So what are the games which they are playing? See, kanchas. See, kanchas with the help of marbles they will play. Gilli danda. See, gulli danda here it's written, right? It's written. See, this all they will play. Then what is this? It's a kabaddi and more games they will play. See, one moment we will see. When our parents and grandparents were kids, television was not that common and there was no internet. Children used to play simple games for recreation. Some popular games played then were, that is, I have said you kanchas, right? So kanchas, that is marbles, lattu, top, lattu, that is top, pittu, that is 7 stones will keep, kushti, wrestling, kabaddi, that is here. Here it's which game? Kabaddi, kho and gulli danda, that is gilli danda. Okay, so these are the games which were played in the past. That were played in the past by your grandparents, parents and all. They have played the game because that time there was no internet, no television like the technology now is. Okay, many folk toys were also popular in those days. Like these toys were very popular in those days. Now we will see the game now. Game then we have seen now. Now we will see the games now. What are the games now are available? See, some of the popular games or sports played today include table tennis. This is children are playing table tennis. Basketball. Here it's not given. Basketball. Computer games. Then gymnastics. See, this is a girl who is doing gymnastics. Children are performing karate to self-defense, and taekwondo are also popular. So these are the games which are popular now. Previously, that is the games then that not the case. Now see, playing is work. Playing is work. Okay. If we do our work with fun, we will enjoy it. Some people started playing at a very young age. They were so good in their sports that it became their occupation. So it became their work. Shown below are some famous sports personalities of our country. So see here, who is this? This is Sachin Tendulkar. Now see here, who is this? Sachin Tendulkar, right? Who is this Sachin Tendulkar? So he is good in cricket. Like that, there are many people who are good in sports. At a very young age, they have started this as their profession. See, Dhanraj Pillai, he is good in hockey. Vishwanathan Anand, everyone will know, he is good in chess. Saina Nehwal is good in badminton. Sania Mirza, she is good in tennis. Mary Kom, she is good in boxing. So we will just do a quick recall of the games we play. We play games for, why do we play games? We play games for fun and relaxation, right? So what are indoor and outdoor games? Games that are played inside a building are called indoor games. Whereas those played in open grounds or open stadium are called outdoor games. So the games which are played in past, that is your parents, your grandparents might have played kanchas with the help of marbles. So kanchas means marbles, lattu, stop, pittu, 7 stones, gulidanda are some of the popular games which are played in past. For some people, the sports they play become their occupation, that is become their profession. Okay. So in the next video, we will see the exercises.